Hi, this is Wayne with Ziegler Egg Equipment. In today's how-to video, I'm going to show you how to create an implement. So to get to the implement page, we can hit the menu in the right corner, go to Tractor Functions, go to the Implement Manager symbol. We can also hit the 9 square button down on the armrest and hit the Implement Manager button. So on the Implement Manager screen, if we want to add an implement, we can just hit the plus and you can name it whatever. Today we'll just name it disc, the check mark, and then it'll bring you up to this page. So here we can put, this will be the total width. So if we go here and we just let's say it's a 60-foot disc, hit the check mark, it'll automatically fill in the halfway distance, and then this will be from a measurement from the hitch, where the hitch connects to where the implement would engage into the ground. Right now it's set for 3-point mounted, but if we go to drawbar hitch or any of these, or a semi-mounted, it'll bring up another measurement, and this will be the measurement from the hitch to the wheels, basically, and this will still be the hitch from where it engages in the ground. So we could say this is like 10 feet, and then where it goes into the ground's 15 feet. And that's just for mapping, or if you're planting, it would be for be important to have that correct. Down here we already set our hitch type to drawbar. Next, if it has a steering axle, this would have a rigid axle, so we just choose rigid. And then down here would be how we want it to record. So you can set it to record coverage with the 3-point, the PTO. This would be an implement switch, which you would tie into the tractor with a kit. And this would be, you wanted to engage coverage with auto steer. But if we wanted to engage it with outlet, we'd choose this, and then so whichever outlet, say we're on red, is our up and down, so we'd hit red. If we want to start recording when we push the lever down into negative, and then stop recording when we hit the positive. So we'll hit the back. So now the disc is set up here at 60 foot. If we wanted to do overlap, we'd put it in here. So if we wanted to do a foot overlap, we'd put it here. Now it's going to guide the tractor, so it's always overlapping a foot. If we wanted to, let's say we wanted to do a implement offset, we'd go to our implement we want and hit the gears. We go back to this screen. So if we wanted to offset it to the right, we would change this half width measurement. So if we change it to 31 feet, see, it'll shift the implement over a foot. If we wanted it to go the other way, we'd change it to 29 feet, and it would offset the implement to the left. And then if we put it back at 30, we'll be back centered again.